Hello everybody and welcome to this third Python tutorial about conditionals. Conditions are if, elif and else. So you may want to use the conditionals in your script if, for example, there's, let's say, a user input and you ask the user for a number, and if the number is bigger than 5, you would like to print out the number is bigger than 5. If the number is smaller than 5, you would want to print out the number is smaller than 5, and if the number is equal to 5, you may want to print the number is 5. So I'm going to show you. In this episode we're not going to use idle, but we are going to create our script. So to do that, create a new text file and let's rename it to text.py. So here you see the .txt, you would like to see the .txt here, and if you don't see it, go in a file, go on in that, and there should be here written something, a file extension, and in your computer it may be not like this, so you would not see the .txt. So just tick it and then you will see the txt. So now let's rename it to py and let's open it in Notepad++. So let's start by asking the user for input. So x equals row underscore input, enter a number between 0 and 10, and then let's convert the input to a numerical value, because like this row input is a string, so but we would like to compare the number, not the string, so let's convert it. To do that is x equals int open parenthesis x and close parenthesis. Now it's in that part where we would like to check if the number is bigger or smaller than 5 or equal to 5. So to do that, if x is bigger than 5, print the number is bigger than 5. elif. So the second time you use a if, right after if, it's not going to be if but elif. Well, that's how it is. So elif x is smaller than 5, print the number is smaller than 5. Now else, print the number is equal 5. So we would also write the number is 5. So else if is nothing before was true, so else is just gonna execute whatever's under. So what's important to remember is to leave the space before. So I use tab, but you may want to enter one space or four space. So because whatever this wherever the space means this this belongs to that. For example, if that, execute that. So whatever's with a space after if statement will be executed by the if. So now let's write row underscore input to prevent the script from closing, and let's open it. So enter number between 0 and 10. Let's start with a 2. Enter, and it returns the number is smaller than 5, so no problems with that. Now let's write 8. Let's write 8, yes, and enter, the number is bigger than 5, no problems with that either. And now let's write 5, the number is 5, so yes, you can see there is no problems. So for example, another way you want to check a number would be to check if the number is equal or not equal to something. So for example, if x equals 6, for example, let's say, print the number is 6, and else print the number isn't 6. So now let's try 2, the number isn't 6, and now let's try 6, the number, wait, so I did an error here. So I wrote I put the 6 between quotes, so that would mean that the 6 would be a string, but since we converted it to a numerical value, it doesn't work like that. So let's try again now. 6, and the number is 6, so no problems. So one other way I like to use the if, elif, and else is like that. So now let's start again. X equals row underscore input, and like this. Now if x equals hello, print hello. Elif x equals hi, print hi. Elif x equals to how are you, print I'm fine. Else print I don't understand. So how this would work is it asks for an input and you enter hello, and the script would return hello. So if you write hi, it would also return hi, and if you ask how are you, it would answer I'm fine. So if you enter something else that's not hello, hi, or how are you, it would return I don't understand. For example, what is your name? I don't understand because we didn't register the name or the question. So let's say elif x equals what is your name, print my name is John. So what is your name? So it would return my name is John. So yeah, that was the conditionals, if, elif, and else. So I may do another video about it more in depth, with the logic gates, the and, not, or, nor, and for the moment this is how you would like to use the conditionals when you start using Python. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in another video.